So first you need bread, and then I'm using hot dog bread. That's what you can use, but you can use different bread. And you need butter on top. So I already made a lot, and you have to wait for me. And you always, I don't know why, but you always need a lot of butter on it. Then we go to the oven and open it, and then we put it in the oven, like that. We bake that 10 minutes and 400 degrees. Now it looks kind of like goldish or something, like, and stuff. It might have some brown stuff like ours. And yeah. Next we're gonna do garlic powder and parsley. We sprinkle it on, and then we get parsley and put some parsley on it. We do it for each one. It's time to taste.
Say something.
It's good. And that's it for the garlic bread video. Bye.